In a dynamic business scenario, any organization needs to adopt a flexible and proactive approach to counter the threat of enhanced competition and also to meet the challenging needs of its customers. We at Sampurna Strategies, we have an array of business development or business transformation tools to offer to our customers to meet those challenges. I myself, I look after the Lean Six Sigma part of the business transformation tool. I am with Sampurna Strategies for the last 2 years, and we have done few interesting projects on 5S Kaizen and visual control applications we have completed with one of the leading footwear companies around Delhi, and a couple of other lean projects are going on with some of the customers. How do we start a lean project? We go to a customer and do their SWOT analysis in the beginning to understand their business goal, both long term and short term, and through this business goal they are converted into activities, and then from the activities they are converted into different targets for the different levels of management. This is similar to Hoshin Kanri principle of a lean manufacturing. Now we talk about the lean manufacturing a bit. Lean, we consist of 5 stages. The first step begins with the voice of customer. We capture the voice of customer by using certain lean tools, and then from there we go to the value stream mapping of the entire process, under study. In those value stream mapping we find out the non-value added activities, and which is also called the waste. The whole purpose of lean manufacturing is to remove those waste. Once we remove the waste, we are left with the smooth value stream mapping process. Then we go process step by step and find out the bottleneck process. The bottleneck process is identified, and we apply certain lean tools, lean principles based upon the bottlenecks, types of bottleneck. If it is a, for example, if it is a setup related issue, we apply SMAD principle, which is SMED. If it is a maintenance related issue, we apply autonomous maintenance or ZDOKA and some other tools. If it is a quality related issue, we apply error proofing. Once we are through with that, we are left with a smooth process flow. The next step is, or rather final stage is, to have a pull system driven by the customer demand. Customer takes out the product, then only the product is produced in the downstream. This is by applying the Kanban system, or in an advanced stage when there are multiple types of product in a company, we apply Heizunka, or production leveling. By applying that, we achieve a one piece flow which is driven by the customer demand. This concludes our lean work, but it never stops here, because lean, like any other business tool, is a continuous improvement process. The lean, if there is a bottleneck we have removed from one place, another bottleneck at another place will come up. So next stage will be to target that bottleneck. So hence, and it goes on. Now I will come to the Six Sigma. Lean is about removing the waste, whereas Six Sigma is about removing the or reducing the variation in the process. By reducing the variation, we go towards zero defect. The Six Sigma company achieves a level of 3.4 or less than that defect out of 1 million opportunities. Six Sigma is a project wise done project by project. Now a little bit about myself. I am basically a mechanical engineer from Bengal Engineering College, one of the oldest engineering college in India, after which I did my PG diploma in statistical quality control and operations research from Indian Statistical Institution, one of the premier institution applying statistical tools in Indian industries, and they are one of the premier Six Sigma training institution in India, training cum certification agency in India. I was with ISI for 2 years, where I did number of projects as a consultant on process capability studies, on developing sampling plan suitable for a particular application, on design of experimentation in a insulator plant. All these projects were done in companies like BHEL, BEL, Mysore Kirloskar and few other companies. After that, I have 30 plus years of experience of working in the quality, mostly in the quality assurance department of automobile and auto ancillaries. Out of this 30 plus years, the last 5 years were spent as a plant head in a leading auto OEM companies, looking after the all the operations. I have 5 plus years of experience of working in an global environment in a company called Textron USA, from where I got design for Six Sigma Green Belt certification. I am also a lead auditor for ISO 9000 systems, and can develop right from documentation, training and certification. Everything I am capable of doing for ISO 9000. And also in the last year, that is in 2020, I got certified in Lean Six Sigma Black Belt from IASSC, one of the leading certifying agencies globally, located in US. So this is about me. I would like to say that this is a very interesting time for Indian industries. because of the stiff competition and the after effect of this pandemic. We are here to help the industries, particularly especially the medium and small scale industries. We'd like to uh, inform those companies through that we are here to help you to achieve global standards with respect to quality, cost, delivery, safety, employees involvement in all aspects, and help the company to beat your competitors. We'll be looking forward to hear from you very soon. Thank you so much.